Hey everyone, this is Mandy over at School Portraits, and today I'm going to show you how to create a dedication ad by using the Pictavo Community. First things first, you will need to go to compy.pictavo.com and create an account if you haven't done so already. To create an account, you'll click on this button that says Create an Account, and first step, you will need to enter your school name. Once you start typing your school name, there will be options for you to choose down here. Select the one that applies to you and click Continue. Second screen is to just verify that that is in fact the school that you will be purchasing from. If that is correct, go ahead and click Continue. Enter all of your details, your name, a valid email address is important, and your passwords, agree to the terms of use, and create an account. Once you create an account, an activation link will be sent to the email that you provided in this screen. So make sure that that is a valid email address, and you will need to check your email and click on the activation link that they provided you. Sometimes it will send to your spam folder, so make sure you check that as well. Once you're all ready to go, you're going to go and log into your account. I already created an account, so I'm just going to log into the one that I have already created. Once you click Login, the school that you selected in the previous screen will be up in the corner. Make sure that that is in fact the school that you would want to be purchasing from. This button is the Shop My School button. Once you're ready to purchase, click on Shop My School. This will show you all of the products that the school has to offer on the online community. But today we're only going to be focusing on recognition ads. If you did purchase a recognition ad, make sure you purchase a yearbook as well so you can see your recognition ad in the yearbook. Most schools will offer a variety of sizes. Some will only offer eighth page, some will only offer quarter pages, some will offer all the way up to full page. It just depends on the school. So whenever you're ready, go ahead and click on the size that you would like to purchase by simply clicking Add to Cart. Once you click on Add to Cart, a window will pop up and it will ask you for your student's first and last name as well as their teacher. So if you go ahead and start typing a name, I'll put my name in here for now, and then select their teacher name from this drop-down menu. I'm going to go ahead and click Other and click Add to Cart. You'll see that your cart is automatically populated. It won't be in another screen, it will just be on the side of your existing screen. If you're ready to check out, go ahead and agree to the terms of sale and click Checkout. The checkout process is standard. It's just like an Amazon or anything like that. Any online purchase is essentially the same. So you'll enter your billing address, delivery information, your payment type, you'll confirm your order, and then your order will be complete. Once your order is complete, a receipt will be sent to your email address, so make sure that you do keep that for future reference. Once you have completed your purchase, you will need to log back into the Pictavo community and click on the My Stuff button. Under My Stuff, that's where your purchases will be located. And whenever you're ready to create and design your ad, you will click on the Edit button here. So this is the Designer tool. The Designer tool is a way for you to create a custom design for your students. We do suggest starting off with templates so you don't have to recreate the wheel, and you are able to customize the template from the text color to what the text says, the backgrounds, adding clip art, all of that stuff. The great thing about this software too is that everything is drag and drop, so you click, drag, and drop it on the page, and it's very user friendly. So if you want to start off with a template, you're going to click on this art palette here and click templates. We'll go ahead and select this one. So I'm just clicking and dragging on to the page and letting go of my mouse. Basically, it's done for me. All I need to do is maybe add a background, maybe add a couple of pictures, obviously, and then it would be good to go. So those are the templates. And then if you want to add photos, you're going to go into this button right here. I've already added some photos in here, but if you wanted to upload your own, you're going to go ahead and click upload, navigate to where those images are in your computer. You can upload one at a time, or you can select all by doing a Control A and then just by clicking open. I've already done so, so we'll just use the photos that we have available to us. To add a photo, you simply just click on the photo you want to add and drag it over to your page. As you can see, the red will will let you know that that's where the photo will populate. So if I want to put this photo here, I'm just going to click and drag and let go of my mouse. So that looks great there. We're going to do another photo, so we'll use this big photo for this one down here. And see how this is getting cut off? We're able to you're able to crop your images by going over to the effects window over here and clicking on the edit crop button. Once you do that, you can click on the grayed out area. You'll see that this line right here is the indicator. That's where the photo box ends. So you will click on this grayed out area and drag down your photo so all of the subjects are included. If you wanted to zoom in a little bit more, you'll just click and drag outwards on the corners and then click on the grayed out area as well and move around accordingly. Once your image is where it's at, you can click off of the image, and then you can see that this stuff is sort of in the way. So if you want, you can select this clip art and move it, and then select the photo box and move it down as well so you're not cutting off his head. Right there, and then we'll add this photo in here too. So it's essentially done. You can edit this text if you wanted to and just say congrats Madison, and then love mom and dad or love mom and pa, whatever you want, or you can simply say class of 2018. If you wanted to change your font, you can click on the text box and go to the T for text in your effects window and select a new font. But I'm going to go ahead and keep the font as it is to make it easier. If you wanted to add a background, you will click on the art palette again. Click on backgrounds and choose from the variety of backgrounds that they have to offer. If you do see that this color wheel, that means that that background is able to change color, so you're not stuck with the black. So say I want to use this one right here. I'm going to click and drag just like normal, drop it onto the page, and then if I want to change the color, I'm going to click on the background itself. And underneath this magic wand tool, it's the color. You're able to colorize it. So this is currently the color that it's at, but if I wanted to change it, I'm going to go ahead and click on that color and select a color that I think my student will like the best. So I'm going to click maybe a yellow. I can change the value of the yellow. The saturation of the yellow if you wanted to, change it to a blue, whatever you want to do. This is your dedication ad. If you wanted to add any kind of clip art, you can go back into the art palette and click accents. And these are the different folders that are available to you. So you can click embellishments, and maybe you want to add some hearts or stars or something like that, or emojis. There's all kinds of different fun little clip arts that you can spice up your dedication ad with. So if I want to use these hearts, I'm going to go ahead and click and drag just like normal. And be careful when you are clicking and dragging over a photo box. See how if it turns red, that means that clip art will be populating that photo box. So I don't want to do that, but I'll just kind of put it off to the side now. And then resize it by dragging the corners down, and then you can just move it around to wherever. Um, you can also twist it by hovering your mouse over, and if you see that particular icon, that means you're able to twist things around. So kind of like it to twist. And if I want to copy and paste it, I could do copy, paste here, and twist it that way. So I pretty much like the way it looks right now. Make sure you read over your message, and if your message is spelled right, if everything looks great to you, then you're going to make sure to click to the Send to Yearbook. It will ask you if you are ready to submit it to the yearbook staff, and then it will have you click on this I have read and proved my work, um, and I give my approval to use it in the book. Make sure you do that, and then if you click on it, you're able to click yes, and it will send to the yearbook staff. If you have any questions, feel free to call our office at 909-606-5100, and I would be more than happy to walk you through this. But I hope that this this video has helped you create a lasting memory for you and your student as they move on to a new grade. And be sure to purchase your yearbook if you haven't already, to make sure you see this wonderful masterpiece in the back of the book. I hope this has been helpful for you. Thanks.